Good morning, friends. Today in this video, I will talk about fractions. What are fractions? Uh, Let us draw this figure. In this figure, I am just showing a circle. Now, this is one full circle. But if I divide this circle into two parts like this and shade this portion, this circle has been divided into two. So, what is the fraction for this shaded portion? It is 1 by 2. This shaded portion, shaded region is 1 by 2. So, this 1 by 2 is called a fraction. And the fraction can be of two types, vulgar fraction or decimal fraction. This is vulgar fraction. In this vulgar fraction, there is always a numerator, a bar, and a denominator. Now, these numerator and denominator can be any integer. But only thing is, this denominator should never be 0. Otherwise, it will become meaningless. So, both these are integers and this should not be 0. This is 1 by 2. Shaded portion is 1 by 2. Previously, it was like this only. It was one full. This whole thing. This is 1, but this is half, 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. This is one full, this is half. I can further divide it into 4 parts. See. This has been divided into 2 parts, and now I am dividing this circle into 4 parts and I shade this portion. Now here in this shaded portion can be represented as 1 by 4. 1 by 4 like this. This is shaded portion is 1 by 4, which is a fraction. It is a part of the whole and it is 1/4 part. This is 1 and this is 1/4 part. This is numerator, this is denominator. This is a bar. It also means 1 divided by 4. And this also means 1:4. This I will explain later on in some other video, because this also represents a ratio, which I'll explain later on. So now you understand that this shaded portion can be represented as 1 by 4. Now this is a vulgar fraction, this is not a decimal fraction. Decimal fraction also I will explain in some other video, okay? Because fractions are of two types, vulgar fraction and decimal fraction. This is vulgar fraction. Now same thing I can do it like this also. See, this is one full, this is 1, this represents one rectangle. I can divide it into 2 parts and each part is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. And further also I can divide this into 4 parts. Now each part is, this part will be 1 by 4. This shaded portion is 1 by 4 because I have divided one rectangle into 4 parts. Each part is 1 by 4, each part. And I have shown this part as a shaded region. This shaded region is 1 by 4. This is also 1 by 4. This is also 1 by 4. This is also 1 by 4. I can divide it further into 8 parts, 10 parts, 20 parts, and then I will get the fraction accordingly. So I hope you have understood the idea about fractions. So this is how fractions are defined. I'll be in the next video, I'll be explaining what is decimal fraction and other things. So I hope you have understood this much. You just see this video again and again and grasp this idea about fractions. You see it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, but just learn once for all that fraction means what. In the next video, I'll take up something else. Okay? So, goodbye. Thank you.